Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing two clear points on the line and labeling them x1, y1, and x2, y2. Once labeled, calculate rise as y2 minus y1 and run as x2 minus x1. Do not swap these. Make sure you subtract in the same order for both coordinates so the sign remains correct. After that, form the fraction rise over run to get m. If both differences are integers, simplify the fraction. If not, leave as a reduced fraction or decimal for clarity. Now compute the numerical value and simplify. If numerator and denominator share a factor, divide both to reduce to lowest terms. This makes comparisons easier later. Watch negative signs. A negative numerator or denominator yields a negative slope. Two negatives cancel. If run equals 0, you have a vertical line with no finite slope, so note undefined. If rise equals 0, the slope is 0 and the line is horizontal. Once simplified, double-check arithmetic to avoid small signs. Finish by interpreting what the slope tells you about the line. Positive means rising left to right, negative means falling, 0 is flat, and undefined is vertical. Next, verify your result by using point-slope form or plotting one point and applying rise/run to reach the other. This confirms correctness. If things look wrong, re-evaluate subtraction order and check for common factors missed during reduction. Make sure you didn't swap points, because that will flip the sign and give an incorrect slope.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.